Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious toffee with sugar and water. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and equipment. You'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, 1 cup of unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, prepare a heavy-bottomed saucepan, a candy thermometer, and a lined baking sheet. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful toffee-making experience. Now, let's start cooking. In your heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine the 2 cups of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of water. Place the pan over medium heat and stir continuously until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Insert your candy thermometer, ensuring it doesn't touch the bottom of the pan, and let the mixture continue to cook. The next crucial step is reaching the perfect temperature. Continue cooking the sugar syrup without stirring until your candy thermometer registers exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the hard crack stage, essential for that classic brittle toffee texture. Once it hits 300 degrees, immediately remove it from the heat. Quickly, but carefully, stir in 1 cup of unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until fully combined. With the butter and vanilla incorporated, it's time to set your toffee. Immediately and carefully pour the hot mixture onto your prepared baking sheet, spreading it evenly if needed. Now, the hardest part, patience. Let the toffee cool completely at room temperature for at least 1 hour or until it's completely firm. Once solid, you can easily break it into delicious, bite-sized pieces. Enjoy your homemade toffee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.